Have you ever wondered what makes Venice so unique? Venice, the floating city, is an architectural marvel nestled in the heart of the Adriatic Sea. This city, unlike any other, is built upon a cluster of 118 small islands, all interwoven with a fascinating network of canals and bridges. These waterways are the city's lifeline, serving as main transportation routes, where boats and gondolas replace the cars and buses we're so accustomed to. The history of Venice is as unique as its foundation. The city's early settlers were refugees fleeing barbaric invasions, seeking refuge on these marshy islands. Their survival instincts and ingenuity led to the birth of this floating city. They drove wooden piles deep into the waterbed to create a stable foundation for their homes, a technique that still holds Venice above water today. The architectural style of Venice is a feast for the eyes, a blend of Gothic and Byzantine influences that reflect the city's rich history and cultural diversity. The buildings, with their ornate facades and towering spires, seem to rise directly from the water, creating a mesmerizing sight that's both surreal and captivating. As you navigate through the maze of winding canals, you'll notice the buildings leaning slightly, a testament to the city's constant battle with rising sea levels and subsidence. Yet, despite these challenges, Venice stands resolute, preserving its heritage and charm for future generations. The city's architecture isn't just about aesthetic appeal, though. Each building tells a story, a tale of the city's past, of trade and prosperity, of art and culture. The blend of Gothic and Byzantine styles is a symbol of Venice's position as a bridge between the East and the West, a melting pot of cultures and ideas that has shaped Venice into the city we know and love today. Indeed, Venice is a city like no other, floating atop the sea, enchanting every visitor with its charm. At the heart of Venice lies the world-renowned St. Mark's Square. This grand piazza has been the epicenter of Venetian life for centuries, a place where history, beauty, and culture intertwine in a dazzling spectacle. It is a square that has seen countless sunrises and sunsets, each day adding a new layer to its rich tapestry of stories. St. Mark's Square, or Piazza San Marco, as it's known locally, is much more than just an open space in the city. It's the social, religious, and political nucleus of Venice. It's where Venetians meet for a chat over a cup of coffee, where they come to worship, and where important decisions about the city's future have been made for hundreds of years. Among the many architectural marvels that decorate the square, 3 landmarks stand out. First, there's St. Mark's Basilica, an opulent cathedral that is a testament to Venice's wealth and power during the Middle Ages. With its stunning gold mosaics and Byzantine domes, it's a majestic sight that never fails to captivate. Next to the Basilica, we find the Doge's palace. This grand Gothic structure was the residence of the Doge, the supreme authority of the Venetian Republic. It's a symbol of the city's political prowess and a place where history was written. Today, it stands as a museum, offering a glimpse into the city's glorious past. Then, there's the Campanile Bell Tower. Standing tall at nearly 100 meters, it offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. The tower is a beacon of Venice, its chimes resonating across the city, reminding Venetians of the time when it served as a watchtower and lighthouse. St. Mark's Square is more than just a place. It's a living, breathing entity that embodies the spirit of Venice. It's a stage where the drama of Venetian history has played out, where every stone and every building tells a tale. St. Mark's Square is a testament to Venice's rich history and enduring grandeur. It's a place where the past and present merge seamlessly, where the echo of ancient footsteps resonates amidst the bustle of modern life. It's the heart of Venice, pulsating with a rhythm that is as timeless as the city itself. Venice's lifeline, the Grand Canal, is a spectacle of its own. It's more than just a body of water. It's a pulsating vein that breathes life into the city, a vibrant artery, always bustling with activity, where gondolas and vaporettos glide across the shimmering surface, ferrying both locals and visitors alike. The Grand Canal is the main waterway of Venice, snaking through the city in a giant S shape. It's the principal avenue of transportation, a floating highway, if you will, that stretches over 2 miles long and ranges from 30 to 90 meters wide. This aquatic thoroughfare witnesses a fascinating ballet of gondolas and vaporettos, water taxis and delivery boats, all dancing to the rhythm of the lapping waves. But the Grand Canal is not just about the waterway, it's also about the stunning architectural marvels that line its banks. On either side of the canal, you will find a grand parade of over 200 palaces and mansions, each one a testament to the city's historic wealth and power. These grand edifices, with their ornate facades and intricate details, reflect a variety of architectural styles, from the Byzantine and Gothic to the Renaissance and Baroque. Each building is a chapter in Venice's rich history, narrating tales of illustrious families, powerful guilds, and wealthy traders who once called this city their home. Among these, the most iconic is the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that once served as the residence of the Doge, the supreme authority of Venice. Then there's also the Ca' d'Oro, a splendid example of Venetian Gothic architecture, its name translating to House of Gold. And not to forget, the Rialto Bridge, an architectural gem and the oldest bridge spanning the canal, is a sight to behold. So when you journey along the Grand Canal, you're not just traversing a waterway, you're sailing through time. You're witnessing a living museum that showcases the city's illustrious past, its grandeur, its glory, its very soul. A journey along the Grand Canal provides a glimpse into Venice's illustrious past. No visit to Venice would be complete without a ride in its most iconic symbol, the gondola. The gondola, a sleek black boat, is as synonymous to Venice as the canals themselves. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a testament to the city's rich history and a proud symbol of Venetian culture. Let's take a step back in time. The gondola has been Venice's primary form of transportation since the 11th century. Over the centuries, it has evolved from a simple rowing boat to an elegant, flat-bottomed vessel that's perfectly designed for navigating narrow canals and shallow waters. But a gondola isn't born overnight. It's a labor of love, the result of meticulous craftsmanship. Each gondola is handcrafted from 8 different types of wood, including oak, cherry, and pine, in a process that takes over a year to complete. The gondola's unique asymmetrical design, with the left side slightly longer than the right, allows it to be steered by a single oar. And steering a gondola is no easy feat. It requires a skilled gondolier, a role that's often passed down from father to son through generations. To become a gondolier is to commit to a lifelong apprenticeship, mastering not just the art of navigation, but also the lore and legends of Venice to entertain passengers during their journey. The gondola is more than a means of getting from point A to point B. It's a window into the past, a leisurely journey through the city's winding waterways, under centuries-old bridges, past grand palaces and everyday homes, all while serenaded by the gentle splash of the oar against the water. So the next time you find yourself in Venice, take a moment to appreciate the humble gondola. It's not just a boat, it's a piece of living history, a testament to the skill and dedication of the craftsmen and gondoliers who've kept this tradition alive for over a millennium. The gondola is more than just a boat, it's a symbol of Venice's history, tradition, and way of life. Venice is not just about canals and gondolas, it's also a city of vibrant festivals. Perhaps the most famous of them all is the Carnival of Venice, a spectacle that transforms the city into a grand stage. This festival traces its roots all the way back to the 12th century, a testament to the city's rich and enduring history. The carnival is a revelry of colors, music, and dances, but what truly sets it apart are the elaborate masks and costumes. Mask making is a cherished art form in Venice, with artisans dedicating countless hours to crafting each piece. During the carnival, these masks come to life, adding a touch of mystery and allure to the festive atmosphere. Another highlight in Venice's festival calendar is the Festa del Redentore, or the Festival of the Redeemer. This event commemorates the end of the plague that devastated Venice in 1576. It's a poignant reminder of the resilience and strength of this city. The festival is marked by a grand fireworks display and a regatta, a traditional Venetian rowing competition. But the heart of the festival is a floating bridge spanning the Grand Canal, which allows the people to give thanks at the Church of the Redeemer. It's not just these grand events that define the spirit of Venice. There are countless other festivals, big and small, that fill the city's calendar. Each one is a celebration of Venice's unique culture, artistry, and history. These festivals, with their vibrant colors and joyous celebrations, their poignant memories and shared histories, are more than just events. They are the lifeblood of the city, the pulse that keeps the city vibrant and alive. They are moments of shared joy and collective reminiscence, moments that bring together locals and tourists alike, weaving a rich tapestry of experiences and memories. These festivals embody the spirit of Venice, a city of celebration, artistry, and resilience.